Okay guys, we're doing Morse code lesson number 2, and we're going to do 5 rounds. As you can see, I'm using a ICOM 705 with a bencher straight key like I did before, and I'm using what they call a side tone, so you could actually practice with certain radios that you're actually not transmitting over the air. So okay, now we're going to go with 4 long sounds. The letter T. I'll use my right hand here. The letter T is just one long sound. Da. The letter T. The letter M. 2 long sounds. Da, da. The letter O, 3 long sounds. Da, da, da. And the number 0, 5 long sounds. Da, 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 da. And a real quick little tidbit here. Under this particular bencher, I'm going to show you real quick how I wired it. There's pretty much 2 wires coming in. I used the speaker wire, 1 wire here and 1 wire there. And it uses a little tiny jack that goes into the side of the 705. And you get to practice with your little bencher or whatever it is you have that you're using to practice with Morse code. There's a lot of things that you'll find out as we go along, what you could use and what what's good to practice with.